So let's start out with the ingredients. We're gonna need 10 to 15 tomatillos. I got 15 here. You're gonna need 2 bunches of cilantro, 1 whole onion. I got about 6 cloves of garlic here, 1 lime, half a stick of butter, some olive oil, some chicken stock or chicken bone broth. I like chicken bone broth. It tastes a little bit better. Has some protein in it and this and that, so that's what we're using today. Some cumin, some sea salt, some black pepper, 5 Serrano peppers, 4 Anaheim peppers, and 4 good sized jalapeno peppers. And of course, I got about 4 pounds of pork shoulder here, chopped up and cubed. So I'm going to show you how to put all this together. Let's get to it. As you can see, we added our cubed pork to some olive oil with salt and pepper and went ahead and browned it all. We're going to set this off to the side while we prepare our verde sauce. While we've got our pork searing, we went ahead and halved all the tomatillos, and we're going to add them in the oven and broil them while we wait and go ahead and start preparing all the peppers. All right, guys, our tomatillos are now broiled. They're looking right. So let's pull them out the oven. Yep, that's perfect. So let's prepare our peppers. All right, guys, I went ahead and prepared the peppers, the onions, and the garlic. Most people will broil these along with the tomatillos, and it works out very well. It brings out some flavors. Some people will even boil it, which I don't do because we're trying to bring out maximum flavor here. So what I'm going to do is saute my onions, all my peppers, and some olive oil in a pan, and then blend them up to make the verde sauce because I think that adds so much more flavor. And that's what we're going here, maximum flavor. So I have the jalapenos, the Anaheim peppers, and de-seeded them. And we're going to go ahead and leave all of our serranos whole because we're going to use these for some heat. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, as you can see, I went ahead and sauteed all the peppers together in a pan with some butter and olive oil. Everything's nice and soft, cooked down. It's ready to be blended along with our sauteed onion and garlic. So we're going to blend it all together with our tomatillos, our garlic, our cilantro, our onion. We're going to make our salsa verde sauce. So let's do it. So guys, as you can see, I've already blended a little bit of it up. There's a lot of ingredients here. It's not all going to fit in your blender at once. So just do a little bit at a time. Add some peppers, add some tomatillos, add some onions, blend it up, then add some more, and of course, add the juice of a whole lime. And just blend everything up, and then we'll add it to our meat along with our chicken bone broth and get it cooking. So let's go. All right, guys, I got the burner on. We're gonna add our salsa verde mix now. Get all that in there. Now go ahead and add your chicken bone broth or stock. Give it a good mix. And we're gonna bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 2 hours. I also went ahead and added in a bit more black pepper, some cumin, and some salt just to add some extra flavor to it while we wait for it to come to a boil. You can add whatever seasonings you want, but I prefer to let all those vegetables and oils and fats do all the flavoring because it's so delicious. And I think you guys are really going to like this. All right, guys, this is what it's looking like after 1 hour of simmering. We'll let it go 1 more hour, and then it should be good. And if you think you got it too watery or liquidy, don't worry about it. It thickens up naturally as it cooks. So we'll check back in on this in 1 hour. All right, everybody, it's done. This is what it should look like after about 2 hours of simmering. It's thickened up and it's looking delicious. So I'm going to plate it up, heat up a tortilla, and let you guys know how it tastes. All right, guys, we got it all done. Put some in a plate because I don't own a bowl. And this is what it looks like. There you go. Delicious, fantastic, spicy. Let's try it out. So I'm going to try just the sauce here first. Take a look at that. Yep, that's really delicious. I like to eat mine with a tortilla. So let's check it out. Dip some in. Try the pork. Make sure it's tender. Yep, that's delicious. So I'll try this out, guys. As you can see from the video, it's super easy to make. Check it out. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a like. I appreciate it. If you try it out, let me know in the comments what you think. I appreciate you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more. Good night, everybody.